Okay, so in this tutorial, let's take a look at how we can show your face while screen recording on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing to Foxtecc because I have a lot of tutorials which you're gonna like. Now, of course, at first, open up the settings app of your iPad and find the multitasking panel right away. So it is part of the main settings. You can also just look it up in terms of the search, but you want to ensure that you either have the stage manager or windowed apps turn on, right? I would go with the windowed apps myself. Just don't have it on the full screen apps only. Now, what you need to do is to open up the camera application like this. And of course, you can just set up the multitasking view like that. So as you can see, I have a little floating window of the camera. And then I'm gonna just show something else on the screen as well. So for example, I'm just gonna drag a window of the photos or notes or whatever else it might be. I can show you both things at the same time, right? Even just make it a setup the way that it would make sense, right? I can flip the camera if I need to show my face or to show something else. And then all I need to do is to set up the screen recording. And of course, everything that's shown on the screen will be captured, which includes your face through the camera or whatever it's pointing at, and the thing that you actually want to show. So it works well if you ask me, and this is one of the best ways you can do this. So if you made it work, please hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. And if you have some other questions, go ahead and let me know about those in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the later tutorials.